Hello, and welcome to our next adventure, Becoming Masters of Information Integration from Various Sources. Have you ever thought about how you gather and understand information? It's not always just words on a page, is it? We get information from pictures, diagrams, graphs, videos, and more. For example, if we're learning about volcanoes, we don't just read about them. We might also look at photos of volcanoes, watch a video of an eruption, study a diagram of a volcano structure, and examine data on volcanic activity. Well, our superpower is to weave all this information together to develop a full, rich understanding of a topic. For instance, let's say we're studying the solar system. We can read an article about the planets, look at pictures of them, check out diagrams showing their orbits, and analyze data on their sizes and distances from the sun. We can combine this information to better understand our solar system. The article gives us the basic facts. The picture helps us visualize the planets. The diagrams show us how they move, and the data gives us precise details. And sometimes we can learn more from the visual or quantitative information than we can from the words. A photo of a planet or a graph showing the distances between planets might tell us something that words alone can't. But remember, different sources can provide different perspectives, and they all matter. Our task is to make sense of it all. Just like superheroes, we need to train ourselves to be good at this. So we'll be doing lots of practice integrating information from various sources. We'll be detectives, scientists, explorers, and more, piecing together information to get a complete picture of whatever we're learning. It's going to be a fun journey, I promise. And along the way, we'll become better readers, thinkers, and learners. So, are you ready to put on your integrator capes? Let's get started on this exciting mission.